You may know how to change the aspect ratio of the images you create in Midjourney on Discord, but with the new website, most people are confused about how to get this done. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the aspect ratio and size of your images on the Midjourney website. So to begin, you'll have to log in to the Midjourney website. I'll just go ahead and create an image here with a very simple prompt. I'll just type my prompt and click enter when I'm done. Then I'll go over to the Imagine tab by clicking on the brush icon on the left. Once it's done, I'll click on one of the generated images. So these are the results that were created with my simple prompt. You'll see on your right that there are so many buttons, but these are not actually turned on by default. When you click on More Options, you'll be able to turn each feature on and off. So what we're focusing on for this video is the More Options. You want to make sure the More Options is turned on. Then you can click on the Editor button. You'll see these options at the very top where you can change the image dimensions and resize your image. You can reduce the size or scale it up. You can also erase parts of the image if you don't want them, or you can restore it. You can use the arrow buttons to undo and redo your actions. Then there's the refresh button that takes you back to the original image. So I'm just going to click on the 16:9 and scale it a bit. Then when I'm done, I'll click on Submit and Close. Your new image will now be created in the new dimension and size that you chose. So it's complete now. This is now a 16:9 image with a different size from the original 1:1 square we had before. All 4 of the new images are resized to the new image dimension. The only issue is you can't do a custom resize at the moment. You can only choose from the available options. So that's how you can change the dimension and resize your images on the Midjourney website. If you like this video, please leave a like and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thank you and bye.